Ever wondered how we could make a tangible difference in the fight against global warming? Have you heard of carbon credits? Carbon credits are a form of currency, symbolizing investments in projects aimed at reducing or removing greenhouse gas emissions. They serve as a mechanism for individuals and businesses to offset their carbon footprint, essentially balancing out their contribution to global warming. So, carbon credits are not just a concept. They are a practical tool in our battle against climate change. Now, you might be wondering, how does one gain these carbon credits? Well, there are several ways. One can invest in renewable energy projects such as wind or solar farms, contributing directly to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Implementing energy-efficient practices in your operations is another pathway. Reforestation efforts also earn credits as trees absorb carbon dioxide. Lastly, participating in emissions trading schemes can yield credits by committing to lower emissions. These are just a few ways to gain carbon credits and contribute to a cleaner, greener world. But how can we optimally distribute our investments in these carbon credit projects? Enter AIIBIS. AIIBIS, an immersive simulation learning tool, empowers us to distribute investments across a carbon credit options. It allows us to model the potential outcomes of our investments. Whether it's procuring carbon footprint from the market or switching over from gas trucks to electric vehicles, AIIBIS helps us to explore and assess the impact of each decision. With AIIBIS, making the most out of your carbon credit investments has never been easier. The AIIBIS helps to explore investment modeling. This tool allows for exploration of green supply chain investments right in the operations section. Imagine the possibilities: procuring carbon footprints from the market, or making the bold switch from gas-guzzling trucks to efficient EV trucks. The power to compute average kilometers of EV trucks and assess carbon emission savings is right at your fingertips. So, whether it's operational improvement or carbon footprint procurement, AIIBIS makes reducing carbon gas emissions achievable for everyone.